What are angle pairs? It begins with the word pair, which means a set of two things used together. So, an angle pair is a set of two angles used together for something. In geometry, there are several types of angle pairs. Complementary angles are a pair of angles that add up to 90 degrees. Supplementary angles are a pair of angles that add up to 180 degrees. Then we have something called adjacent angles. These can be any two angles that are attached to each other, and they can add up to any number of degrees. And finally, there are vertical angles which are formed by crossing lines. These angles are always equal in measure. But what are we going to do with this information? In general, we will use this knowledge to find the measure of missing angles. In addition, we'll have algebra examples that help us understand the pairs more deeply. For example, if we know these angles add up to 90 degrees, this means we can add the algebra expressions together to equal 90 degrees. Or if we know these angles are equal, then we can set the algebra expressions equal to each other. Finally, why are we doing this? Overall, we are preparing for upcoming chapters. For example, in the next chapter, we'll explore how angles relate to each other when there are parallel lines. Understanding angle pairs will allow us to get into our first proofs with these type of lines. In addition, an understanding of angles will help us prove two triangles are the same size and same shape later on in the course. Facts about angles give us more facts to prove our points later on. Just as we said in the first chapter, we need facts to back up our opinions about things like sports.